All right, so we just finished replacing the rear mount on this thing. I did the front mount yesterday. So there's like a little bracket on here to help you to get that off, but this is pretty easy to get off. It's just these 4 bolts. And then you take this out, obviously. And then to get the actual mount out, you have to take out these 4 bolts. So there's 2 up here, and then all the way in the back there's 2 more. So if you have a power ratchet with an extended head, you can use a different ratchet to break these loose and then use that to take it out pretty quickly. And then this will come out, but this mount won't come out unless this bracket comes out. So just a heads up on that. So the rear mount is a doozy. So you've got 1 bolt there, this one here, that you're gonna wanna remove. There's no nut on that side. So it's just that, at least on mine there wasn't. And I mean, it's held well, you know, for the duration of its life. So I'm not sure if there was supposed to be one there, but there wasn't one on this, and there doesn't show signs of there being one ever on there. But there's 2 bolts up here, 2 bolts behind here, that bolt up there at the top, this one here. And then once you've loosened this bracket, as well as the actual mount itself, then you have to get an extension and all the way, let's see if I can get there. Okay, you see that right there, all the way up there? There's, yep, that bolt right there. There's a second one there. And then there's a third one up here. Right up here. So you have to loosen all those, and then this bracket will get loose. And you have to loosen this bracket in order to get this mount out. So just a heads up, you will have to loosen. This is another bolt here. So this bolt, there's a bolt back there, and then 2 more over here that you have to loosen. So that being one of them, and there's another one right there. And then you have to loosen this bolt here, which will take this off, and then you can get this bracket out. So you can fit a ratchet up and behind here. If you have a swivel, you can get it wrapped around there to hook onto that top bolt easy. So this was a doozy to get off because there's 2 nuts. So there's one there and then one there. So you gotta tighten this one and tighten this and then tighten that one. So that's it for the 2 motor mounts. If y'all have any questions, just leave a comment below.